Hey, what's up, my Satan Center? This is Demon Senator again, back with another Pokemon card opening video. Today we're going to be opening up the Unobin Weather Trio, the Gins. So, as usual, we're going to just go ahead and try to peel this. Alright, so first it comes with a Venusaur token and coin. It also comes with the code card for these three guys and 3 promotional cards, which means that I finally complete the Weather Trio in my... They actually what they're called, but I call them the Gin Trio because that's what they're based on. But they're gins. They look like gins. So we have Landorus, Tornadus, and Thundurus. And of course we get 2 packs of Pokemon cards. Both of these are going to be the older packs. Not old, but older than the newer ones. So, oh, it is different. So we got this code card. I'm not too sure if this is going to have anything rare in it. 1, 2, 3. I suspect it might, but I could be mistaken. We got Trumbeak, Nessa, Kakarot, Milcery, Tynamo, Clefairy, Pineco, Oshawott, cute Oshawott, Pinturchin, and Electros, the coolest electric type Pokemon ever. Grims. Dan's trying to record a video, sweetheart. Oh, that is a white border card. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Charjabug, Judge, Excadrill, Sandygast, Plusle, Vulpix, Miltank, Toxel, Baltoy, Claydol, and a Dark Energy card. So this seems like it was pretty much a bust too, but we did get some new Pokemon cards to add to the card decks. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!